Are you the type of person that always force yourself to sleep at night? If your answer to this question is yes, then this video is for you. Igbo mụrụ nze, Igbo mụrụ ọzọ, ekene m unu. Anyị abatago n'ihe gbasara mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa afịa nwanne gee ntị na ndị be anyị si na onye chi na-azọ onwe ya. Go and get me these ingredients I have to list here. Number 1, get me shaman shop leaf. This shaman shop leaf does a lot of work in human health. Number 2, get me guava leaf. Guava leaf. Guava leaf has a lot of benefits. The last among the list is get me garlic. How you can prepare these herbs? Once you gather these 3 items together, then you wash it thoroughly. You wash it thoroughly with a salt. Then you put it on your cooking pot. Add it enough water and cook it maximum of 20 minutes. Then you start take it in form of tea. First thing in the morning time, take it 1 glass tumbler as you see here. And last thing in the evening, do the same thing before you go to bed. Take it 5 times in a week, maximum of 2 weeks, get it to 1 month. I can assure you that you will have a reason to testify on my comment section. Please try to share this video so that others can learn from it. Remember what I said. If you are among of those who are sleepless nights, try this recipe and you will thank me later. Thank you all. I am still remain Maazi-UC. Don't hesitate to join me on my YouTube page. Subscribe and on your link notification bell so that anytime you come across all my posts, you can able to enjoy it. There is the power in nature. Bye for now.